Wow, wow, wow. Fermenting dosa batter in your Instant Pot. Yes, you can do that, and it is really, really easy. So what I've done is I've put my dosa batter in my Instant Pot. I picked a larger pot than what I thought it would need because it is going to ferment and get bigger. So I filled the pot just halfway, okay? Just so you see, just around right there. And what I did was I hit the yogurt setting right here and made sure it's on less because you don't want too much heat, and you just leave it on that. It will turn on. Trust me, it will turn on. There you go. And then I just let it sit overnight, and this is what we had this morning. Look at this beautiful batter. It is beautifully fermenting, and it's rising as it's fermenting. That's why you want to have the batter in a larger Instant Pot. And it's great because this kind of creates that insulated environment that this batter really needs in order to ferment successfully. So if you don't have success fermenting your dosa batter like myself, check out this technique. And keep in mind too, you don't put a regular Instant Pot lid on this. You're gonna just cover it because you don't want the batter to rise and come up through there. You don't need that other pot, right? It's just on the yogurt setting, so you're good. So great way to ferment your dosa batter if you've got an Instant Pot. If you don't worry about it. Just stick it in a bowl, in a large bowl, put it in a warmish place, and then you'll let the magic happen. I live in Chicago, so it's a little bit cooler, so it's a little bit tougher to get that fermentation process started, which is the reason why this Instant Pot concept works so well. Check out my recipe and my tips and tricks on my website, indianasapplepie.com.